I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor Form Builder. First, open your Elementor editor and locate the form widget. This powerful tool allows you to create custom forms for your website with ease. You can drag and drop fields, adjust their settings, and design the form to perfectly fit your site's aesthetic. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to set up a basic contact form. To begin building your first form, simply search for the form widget within the Elementor editor's left panel. Drag it directly onto your canvas. You will see a default form with 3 fields appear. Click on any field to open its settings, where you can change its type, label, and placeholder text. Adding new fields is as simple as clicking the Add Item button and selecting your desired field type. Once your fields are in place, dive into their individual settings. You can mark fields as required, set minimum or maximum lengths, and choose from over 10 different field types. Crucially, configure your actions after submit. This determines what happens when a user submits the form, such as sending an email to your inbox, redirecting them to a thank you page, or integrating with a marketing service. Finally, make your form visually appealing by navigating to the Style tab. Here, you have complete control over colors, typography, and spacing for every element, from labels to buttons. For more advanced functionality, explore conditional logic to dynamically show or hide fields based on user input. Don't forget to add reCAPTCHA for robust spam protection, ensuring only legitimate submissions reach you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.